Morning, AP World. You guys are my last video to make this morning, so this is hopefully going to be pretty short. As I mentioned in the chat yesterday, we are now moving to review, and this is a different review process than the way I've done it in the past 3 years. So fingers crossed that this is all going to work out okay. So we're going to use the AP Live videos, and this has been what College Board has said to use to review. Again, with the test just being one DBQ this year, covering periods 1 through 6. I'm going to assign you all the videos that they're doing that eventually, by the time of the test date of May 21st, that they'll have covered materials for units 1 through 6. So for each video, I'm just going to have a worksheet for you guys to fill out, take notes on, and then in the videos, I've watched a couple of them so far. They're running about 40 minutes in length. The APUSH ones are longer, so lucky you that ours are shorter, at least for right now. So they kind of go through some PowerPoint things, like some basic facts, and then there's a lot of practice in those videos. They'll give you a practice SAQ, a practice document to look at. On those worksheets, it's going to be easiest if you can type on those worksheets and then get me the worksheet. So if you want to handwrite notes, that's fine, but you're going to have to pause the video and unpause it. It's just easier. What I've been doing is I watch the videos on my iPad and then I'm typing on my computer. If you can do that, I recommend it. If you can, if you're just watching it on your phone, that's fine, and you're going to handwrite, that's fine too. But for each video, there will be a worksheet that accompanies that. So for this week, I'm going to assign you guys 4 videos a week. I know this week you have questions due Monday, you have that DBQ due Tuesday, and then I think I assigned the first video to worksheet to be due on Wednesday. So now we're turning to having assignments due during the week. So 4 videos a week. You know, again, it's an AP class. You should expect a little bit more work. The topics are you know, East and Southeast Asia, Dar al-Islam, state building in Africa, and then Europe, and then it moves into period 2, trade routes 1200 to 1450. So we're periods 1 and 2, remember, are in the 1200 to 1450 time period. There's going to be, and there'll be some information shared in those videos that even goes back before that. So AP Live has done videos for the later units, units 7, 8, 9. We're not going to do those, or I'm not going to assign those to you. If you want to watch them, you can. You can use that information depending on what the DBQ is for context or for complexity, like Unicorn Point. The Unicorn Point is still on the rubric, unfortunately, but I'm not going to force you to watch those later ones. The one thing I wanted to say, so, okay, I can't imagine too many of you doing this. These AP World videos are broadcast live every day from 5 to 5:45. Now, I don't know what unit they're on right now. I know they're past unit 1. But if you, let's say you want to watch one live, and you don't want to, I will probably won't have a worksheet made for that video for, you know, a couple of weeks. If you watch one of the AP Live videos like tonight, 5 o'clock, and you just take notes over that and send it to me, that will count as your assignment for that video. I want to make sure that you guys know you have that option. You don't have to wait for me to upload a worksheet. The worksheets are just going to be like, hey, take notes over this, do the practice DBQ, do the practice SAQ. If you're watching them live and you don't want to wait for me to upload the worksheets, that's fine. You still have to get me, though, the notes. I need proof that you actually watched the video and did something. So that's all I wanted to say about that. Again, I'll also assign probably this upcoming week another DBQ, so our skills stay sharpened and focused on that. Our chats, at least for next week, is going to be, you know, test issues. What do I know? What questions do you have? Please ask questions. And please, like I mentioned yesterday, check your emails, because College Board is sending out pretty valuable information to you. And starting next week, we'll talk about some of that information. So I hope you guys are doing well and that you have a good week. And I miss you, and we'll see y'all soon.